But her pup can't swim for the first 10 days of its life. It's trapped here, out on the ice. She shields her pup from the wind. Although it's spring, temperatures can drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius, and blizzards can rage for days. 3 days on, and the storm is still raging. She now faces the hardest of decisions. Does she stay with her pup? Or shelter in the water? Now, her pup's best chance of survival is for the storm to pass quickly. Some pups didn't make it. An answer. If this pup now joins its mother in the water, it will be safe from any future storm.